My master, yes, master.
Don't be greedy, my fragile ones.
Oh, my poor master. How it pains me to see you so wounded, so weak.
Spare me, you gaseous sycophant. You know what you are told, which is nothing.
Soundwave reporting, Lord Megatron.
And what news from your little assassin?
Autobots have taken the bait. They've discovered the Ark and returned with its cargo.
You did me great honor tracking that ship to the moon. Your human collaborators have served their purpose, Soundwave. It's time to eliminate loose ends.
Laserbeak. Kill them all.
With pleasure. Is your daddy home?
Then Madeline said it's about time.
Hello, Mom. What are you doing in my house? Just visiting.